See, they can turn all that into a lot of moonshine. Oh, yeah. It's a much better use for it than the diesel fuel they're going to waste it on. So. How about another day in corn paradise for us today, boys? Let's do it. Beautiful scenery. This one's off of our first and second CD. We liked it so much we had to record it twice.
Set out on the road so long ago, on the path to nowhere. Wound up here, caught up in the middle of a life I know, where the days roll by without a care. See that trace of a smile on my face, it's the places I go with the people I meet. And we're all the same here, no reason to complain here for another cold beautiful to see. Where the nights are always young, nobody ever gets old. Might not quite be heaven, but it's sure good for the soul. Yeah, the surface of the sun is high. It's a beautiful day, man, life is alright. Sit around watching the clouds roll by. Just another day in paradise. I don't need to know where this life is going. My sails are full and the wind still blows. Watching the waves drift by at my pace, a little like a day goes by in this place. It's somewhere south of a little bit warm, where the sun keeps shining through the rain and storms. And what do I need but a hammock and a tree? Warm breeze, cold drinks, cut up teas. Where the nights are always young, nobody ever gets old. It might not quite be heaven, but it's sure good for the soul. Yeah, the surface of the sun is high. It's a beautiful day, man, life is alright. Sit around watching the clouds roll by. Just another day in paradise. Set out on the road so long ago, on the path to nowhere. I wound up here, caught up in the middle of a life I know, where the days roll by without a care. You see that trace of a smile on my face, it's the places I go and the people I meet. We're all the same here, no reason to complain here for another go bit. Pull up the seat where the nights are always young, nobody ever gets old. Might not quite be heaven, but it's sure good for the soul. Yeah, the surface of the sun is high. It's a beautiful day, man, life is alright. Sit around watching the clouds roll by. Just another day in paradise. Man, it's just another day in paradise. Well, it's just another day in paradise. Whoa, yeah. Break it down, boy. We're still, little darling, steer it up. Yeah. Why don't you steer it up? Yeah. Little darling, steer it up. Yeah. It's been a long time together since I got you on my mind. So now that you're here, I feel so good. Let's see what we can do. Me and you, so steer it up. Little darling, steer it up. Yeah. Why don't you steer it up? Yeah. Little darling, steer it up. From it takes away all of your big problems. You worries, you can drop them in boots and don't bring your coat. You won't need it, where will you go? Get away to where the police from takes away. I love your big brown lungs. You can worry, you can drop them in the blue ocean, but you gotta get away to where the police from. Pick me up, pick me up, put me down, down in the sand where it's cool. Put me down, and when I fall off my stool, put me down. I'll just leave there till morning comes round. Sunshine, tan ladies, and pina colada. By all the songs that I play, there's a song in my head that I want you to hear. Soft tropical hips that I stay in. Get away to where the police from, it takes away. I love your big brown lungs. You can worry, you can drop them in the blue ocean, but you gotta get away to where the police from. So get away to where the police from, it takes away. I love your big brown lungs. You can worry, you can drop them in the blue ocean, but you gotta get away to where. Get away to where the police from, it takes away. I love your big brown lungs. You can worry, you can drop them in the blue ocean, but you gotta get away to where the police from. Just another day in paradise. It's paradise, paradise. Just another day in paradise. It's paradise, paradise. Just another day.